Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2S and I'm gonna show you how to connect the headphones to this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Now scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called music and tap on it, and here select headphones. Now you need to grab some Bluetooth headphones that you want to connect to your watch. For example, I have these headphones right here. Maybe let's place them like this, like that. Now I'm gonna enter the pairing mode on my headphones. So I'm gonna press and hold the power button. As you could hear, it said ready to connect and the Bluetooth diode is blinking. That means that it's in pairing mode. Now on my watch I'm gonna tap on add new, tap the check mark. As you can see, the watch is searching for the headphones. And it found our headphones right here. Let's tap on this to connect the headphones to the watch.
Connected to watch.
And I got the voice prompt that the headphones connected to our watch. And here we have the list of headphones connected to our watch, and as you can see, here we have our headphones. And now you can use your watch to listen to music if you want to. And to do it, simply go back to the music menu, tap on music providers, and here you have different apps you can use. For example, Spotify, but you need to be connected to the Wi-Fi network for it to work. Or you can use My Music if you have any songs saved on your watch, depending what you like. Okay, let's go back to headphones. You can also unpair the headphones from your watch. To do it, tap on the headphones right here on the list you want to disconnect. Scroll down, tap on remove, and then tap the check mark to confirm. And as you could hear, it said watch disconnected. That means we unpaired the headphones from our watch. And that's how you connect the headphones to this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.